I'd like just to show here how we can open old configurations made on DIGSI 5 versions and in the latest DIGSI 5 software version. Well, here I have a configuration made on the version 8, as you can see here on the top left corner, and I have a configuration made on the DIGSI 5 version 8. And the firmware of the device, if we click here, I have just one device inside of this project. We have here version 8.01, okay? And now I'm gonna open this configuration on the latest version today. That's the version of the DIGSI 9.70. And I'm gonna show how you guys can do it. Well, what I'd like to highlight is when you create a project, I'm gonna open this project on the Windows Explorer. I call this project Substation X, okay? And when you open here, you're gonna see that the name of the project has this extension here. That's the V80. That means that this is the version of the DIGSI when the configuration was created. I created on DIGSI 8, okay, 8.0, and the extension here show V80, okay. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna archive this configuration and move for the DIGSI 8.70. I'm gonna click on project, and also I'm gonna archive this project. I'm gonna save it, and here I'm gonna put the target path where the project to be archived, and I'm gonna put on the C. I'm gonna put on my temp, okay, and this will be the name of the file. Okay, I'm just gonna click open, click archive, and the project to be archived. Okay, if we go back here, go to the temp, we have here, that's the archived project. Just highlight, and my project contains plenty of folders, okay? But when I archive the project, all these folders will be converted in one single file. If I go back where I saved the archived project, that's on the temp. As you can see, I have one single file. That's this contains all the folders and all the information for that particular project that I was working. Now, to avoid the timing for uninstall one software and install another one, I have another virtual machine here, okay, and I'm gonna copy this archived project, and I have a virtual machine here with DIGSI on DIGSI 9.70, as I mentioned. I'm gonna open this. Let's suppose that you're gonna handle the project for one colleague, or you need to uninstall the software and to install the latest version for some reason, okay, but you can open the project, the old project that was made on the old version of the DIGSI 5 software. In this meantime, that the software is loading, and I'm gonna open the Windows Explorer here, and here I'm gonna create one folder, and I put old project. I'm gonna drop the archived substation that was made on the previous version. Okay, I have here my DIGSI 5 on the, as you can see here, as you can see here on the top left corner, 9.70. I'm gonna click on project and open, and I'm gonna browse, And here I'm gonna select the archived project that it's on the where I put on old project, okay, and substation X. I'm gonna open, and this is where I'm gonna unzip, because the archive project, it's one zip file. Where I'm gonna put on the same folder, that's old project, and I'm gonna receive a message saying potentially that as you can see here, that's the name, that's V80, as you can see here, okay, but we are on the 9.17. I'm gonna receive some message that I need to upgrade the configuration. Okay, this message that you're gonna receive, that you need to upgrade your configuration, and just click here, click upgrade. It's gonna take a while, and depends of the size of your project, this can take longer. And when I upgrade, I'm not upgrading the device to for another firmware. I'm just upgrading the configuration. The firmware of the device will remain the same. I'm going to show you. Potentially, I'm going to receive an error message after this. I'm going to explain why. Let's wait. Okay, this is what I was expecting. Here, that show me that the relay that was created in this project, it may the firmware version of the relays, it's on 8.01, and I don't have the DDD for this version. The DDD, that's the DIGSI device drive, that's the firmware of the device. I need to import on DIGSI 9.70 the DDD of the relay on the version 8.01. That means that I'm importing on this DIGSI software the firmware of the relay on the version 8.01. Okay, I can click cancel here, okay, and click cancel. That's not a problem. Okay, I need to import the DDD. I need to click on project. I need to close the project. Click yes. Okay, and now I go to tools, and I need to import, click here, import device drive. But first I need to find where's the DDD, where the files, the DDD files. Okay, if I go back on my another virtual machine, that's the old virtual machine, that's this one here. I have the DDD here. These you can find on the Siemens web page, and I have the DDD for the version 8.01, and I can click here, and I need to have both files, one file for the relay itself and the second file for the protocol. I just click here and copy these files. I'm going to return for my another virtual machine. That's this one here. I'm going to drop in any folder. I'm going to use the same. I'm going to put here in another folder after I can delete this folder, DDD, and double click here. This is the DDD that belongs to the relay firmware. And I need to import the DDD 8.01 inside of the 9.70. Just click tools, import device drive. I click here and find the DDD, get these two and open. Okay, now I'm importing the DDD 8.01 inside of 9.70, and I have the overcurrent relay 7SG81, 7SG82, 7SG85, and the protocol. I need to import the protocol as well. And I click import. It's gonna take some minutes. It's like 30 seconds, 1 minute, potentially. Let's see. Okay, after almost 1 minute, and the DDD was imported, and now I can open my configuration, and the software needs to restart. Click OK here, and I'd like just to show something for you guys. On the folder that I open my old project, okay, I have the X here, the substation X that was made on 80, okay, but this V18, that's the upgraded one. If I click here, as you can see, that the version that's 970, okay, and this is the one that I need to open. I need to click here and click browse, and V18, and here that's 9.70. Double click here. Okay, no error anymore. And now if I click here, I can see the version of the firmware of this device. Okay, 8.01. Okay, and opening on the version 9.70. And for example, now in this project, I can create new devices, and using another version of the firmware. Let's suppose I'm gonna copy one. Let's suppose this one here, that's this relay. I'm not receiving. Let me try to put here. Okay, I'm gonna copy this long code. I'm gonna paste and create a new device. And now I can create relays on the 9.64, or I can create relays on the 8.01. Okay, because I add the DDD for 8.01, that the software allowed me to create relays on 8.01, 9.40, 9.50, 9. Okay, let's create on the latest one. The firmware will be the same, 64. Okay, and I wanna create a new device. Okay, I have in this project right now this new device. If I open device information, I'm gonna have this device on 9.64. If I open this device here, I have this device on 8.01. And yep, I believe this is what I'd like to bring here and show that it's possible to open old configurations that was made on old version of DIGSI in the new version or the latest version of DIGSI without no problem. What you need to do is just to add the DDD inside of the software to be able to open the configurations for that's on the device on the different firmware versions. That's all. Thanks so much.